In this video, I will compare Deepseek and Gemini side by side. Deepseek focuses on research and does not have detailed plans for commercialization, whereas the main focus of Gemini is being a highly capable multimodal AI that can understand and interact with various forms of data such as text, images, audio, and codes. When it comes to the user experience, both have simple interfaces. Now let's talk about pricing. DeepSeek R1 version is completely free, while the Gemini advanced version is paid. Now let's compare both AI tool in coding. I am going to give this command on both AI tool. Gemini is faster. Now let's check it out both AI code. DeepSeek write too much extra things. If you notice, DeepSeek given style also in their header, but Gemini didn't give style in their header. As you can see the all code. In my opinion, DeepSeek written a detailed code, and personally I like the DeepSeek code color. It is looking good. Next, let's do a data analysis. I asked what happened on 4th July. Let's send it. Gemini is faster than DeepSeek. DeepSeek is still thinking. I don't know why it is taking too much time. As you can see on the DeepSeek, the error is came, the server is busy, please try again later. Let's check it out the Gemini response. Gemini is giving response with the references. As you can see here, some other details are available. So Gemini offers more valuable details. Finally, let's do a calculation. Gemini given the answer and DeepSeek is still thinking. As you can see, again same error appeared. The server is busy, please try again later. And here is the Gemini calculation answer, which is correct. So that's it for the video. I hope you like the comparison. If you enjoy it, please like the video and subscribe the channel.